Hello again, guys. Pompey Picker back again. So Brummy Lockpicker put a call out to all the members of the community to pick a lock for Peter Lewis, the Irish lockpicker. Peter's not been well, and he's decided that he's going to call time on his lock picking and lock collecting. He's still gonna stay in touch via the messages on the YouTube channels and so on. But yeah, it's a big sort of shame. I never really got a chance to do any trading with Pete, but he's been a big member of the community for the last 6 months or so, maybe a year. But yeah, so I'm going to pick a lock for Peter. This is a little papaiz padlock, tricky little keyway. I got this from Gordon W. He sent this. We did a trade, and he sent this little bugger. So it can be challenging. There's plenty of security pins in there. So I'm going to use a Law Lock Tools tension bar, top of the keyway, and one of the picks I got from Rev, one of the handmade picks, custom picks. Yeah, so we'll give it a go and see what we can do. So all the way into the back, very light tension. Oh, I think I better show you before we go any further, the key, show you that it's an actual working lock. That's the bitting of the key. So it can be tricky. Highs and lows in there. So yeah, where were we? So I'm trying to pick this through the camera because I couldn't really get a very good angle on it where the lock's so small. So got a slightly different angle today. And yeah, all the way to the back, very light tension, and very slight turn on the core there on pin 4. Little nudge on pin 3. Nothing on 2. Lots of counter on 1. Still lots of counter. Still lots of counter. Maybe set. Let's go back to 2. There's another little slight turn on the core. And 3. Lots of counter on 3. Back into the 4 set. More clicks on 3. Have we got any more to come? I think. Oh, no, it's still more counter rotation, so maybe that's a serrated. Slipping off there. Let's have a look and check everyone. Yeah, I think it's still 3. I think I may have overset 3. So recock that and go again. Like I say, it can be a little bugger, this one. So all the way to the back, very light tension. 4, click on 4, click on 3, slight turn on the cork. Nothing on 2. Oh, and I think we've got it. Well, it's an open, which is very odd. It hasn't turned all the way, which I've never had that before, but that is very strange. I am going to check that out and see if we can. Oh no, the key only turns so far. So yeah, a surprising open, but an open's an open. So yeah, yeah, pick a lock for Peter Lewis. Get well, Pete, hopefully, and yeah, I hope the rest of the guys in the community can pick a lock for Peter. We're sending all our prayers, and yeah, the rest of you guys out there, all stay safe, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.